Hawaii, a tropical paradise in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, is a dream destination for travelers from all over the world and welcomes over 8 million tourists each year. In this journey, we'll unveil the hidden gems and the iconic jewels that make Hawaii a paradise on Earth. So grab your sunscreen, dust off your snorkeling gear, and join us as we embark on a virtual expedition to the top 5 places to visit in Hawaii. Number 5. Road to Hana. This 52-mile highway runs along the eastern coast of the island of Maui, Hawaii. With over 600 turns and numerous one-lane bridges, it passes through the Kipahulu district of East Maui. The road winds its way through lush rainforests, past cascading waterfalls, and along a dramatic coastline. It is an engineering marvel that offers travelers a glimpse into the past while connecting them with the natural beauty of Hawaii. One of the top attractions along the road is the Garden of Eden Arboretum and Botanical Garden. It's a haven for nature enthusiasts, featuring a profusion of exotic plants, colorful orchids, and majestic bamboo forests. Visitors can also spot indigenous bird species and capture the lush beauty of this tropical paradise. Another prominent attraction here is the 7 Sacred Pools. This series of 7 pools is one of the most popular attractions where visitors can swim in the pools, hike to the top of the waterfall, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery. The historic charm of the road to Hana is marked by its small, remote communities, such as Kihine and Hana itself. Kihine is renowned for its taro fields and charming church, while Hana beckons with its rich Hawaiian heritage and a laid-back island lifestyle. Here, visitors can engage with the locals, sample delicious island cuisine, and immerse themselves in the genuine spirit of aloha. Number 4. Napali Coast State Wilderness Park. The park is located on the northwestern coast of Kauai, Hawaii, and covers an area of 6,175 acres. It encompasses 16 miles of coastline, from Polyhill State Beach to Key Beach. It is not just a testament to nature's grandeur, but it also offers a window into Hawaii's cultural heritage. Its lush valleys, jagged cliffs, and cascading waterfalls stand as tributes to the relentless forces of wind and water and is a true masterpiece of natural artistry. The park is home to numerous attractions. The Hanapu Valley is a historical treasure. This valley was a place of refuge and sacred significance. The valley's colossal sea arch, Hanapu Arch, is an impressive natural wonder that can only be reached by swimming. As visitors approach this majestic archway, they'll feel like they have stumbled upon a hidden realm, a place untouched by the hands of time. The Waimea Canyon State Park, known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, is part of a proposed UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Kalalau Trail is undoubtedly a popular destination and the top attraction of the park. This rugged, 11-mile hike traverses the coastline and takes visitors through some of the most jaw-dropping scenery they'll ever encounter. As they hike, they'll witness towering sea cliffs, hidden beaches, and the emerald green splendor of the Kalalau Valley. Some other notable historical attractions include the Maili'i Valley, which is home to Maili'i Fish Pond, and the Maili'i Heiau. Kalauea Point is the westernmost point on the island and is home to a number of historic Hawaiian sites, including the Kalauea Point Lighthouse and the Kalauea Point Heiau. Number 3. Haleakala National Park. Nestled in the heart of the magnificent island of Maui, Hawaii, lies the awe-inspiring Haleakala National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that promises an extraordinary journey. Its top attraction, without a doubt, is the majestic Haleakala volcano, whose name means House of the Sun in Hawaiian. Standing at 10,023 feet, it is the world's largest dormant volcano. The allure of the park extends far beyond its summit. As visitors explore the park, they'll be captivated by the surreal landscapes, from lunar-like craters and cinder cones to lush forests teeming with native flora and fauna. The park's diverse ecosystems are a treasure trove of biodiversity, offering a rare chance to connect with nature in its purest form. On top of this, it is also home to several historic monuments, including ancient Hawaiian temples and petroglyphs. These remnants of the past are a testament to the deep cultural significance the park holds for Native Hawaiians. The park offers a number of guided tours that help to learn about the park and its history from an experienced guide. Visitors can also interact with park rangers, which are also a great source of information as they can tell you about the best places to hike, where to find the hidden gems, and share stories about the history and culture of the area. Number 2. Waikiki Beach and Diamond Head State Monument. The iconic Waikiki Beach and the majestic Diamond Head State Monument, two destinations that are a stone's throw away and promise a remarkable fusion of natural beauty, culture, and adventure. The beach is approximately 1.5 miles long, while Diamond Head State Monument encompasses over 475 acres. Waikiki Beach is a paradise renowned for its golden sands and turquoise waters, and it's a destination that has been enchanting visitors since the late 19th century. The most significant attraction of the beach is the Moana Surf Rider, a historic hotel that dates back to 1901, known as the First Lady of Waikiki. This elegant hotel is a piece of living history, providing visitors a glimpse into the grandeur of the past. Additionally, the Kuhio Beach Hula Mound showcases traditional Hawaiian hula performances, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the rich local culture. Visiting Diamond Head State Monument is a unique opportunity to witness a dormant volcanic crater up close and enjoy panoramic views of Waikiki Beach and the surrounding landscapes. The Diamond Head hike is a must-do experience, offering a challenging but rewarding trek to the summit. As visitors conquer the trail, they'll be rewarded with breathtaking vistas that stretch from the azure waters of the Pacific to the lush greenery of Oahu's interior. Number 1. Pearl Harbor and U.S. Arizona Memorial. Approximately 25 minutes away from the beach, Pearl Harbor is the site of the Japanese attack on the United States on December 7, 1941, and serves as a poignant reminder of the past and the sacrifices made during World War II. Its harbor covers an area of approximately 17,000 acres. The U.S. Arizona Memorial is approximately 180 feet long and 56 feet wide. The top attraction, without a doubt, is the U.S. Arizona Memorial. This powerful monument stands as a tribute to the 1,177 sailors and Marines who lost their lives on the battleship during the Japanese attack. It hovers above the sunken remains of the U.S. Arizona, allowing visitors to see the ship's submerged hull and its fallen crew. Apart from U.S. Arizona Memorial, the park is also home to the U.S. Missouri battleship and the U.S. Bofin Submarine Museum and Park. The U.S. Missouri is the site where the Japanese surrendered to the Allies, ending World War II, and the U.S. Bofin is a World War II submarine that sank 38 Japanese ships and submarines and is now open to the public as a museum. Pearl Harbor is a sacred place to Hawaiians. The area was once known as Waimomi, Pearl Waters, and was a place of refuge for Hawaiian royalty, so be sure to be respectful of the environment and Hawaiian culture. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let us know in the comment section if you ever visited any of these marvelous places and how your experience was.